Hello and welcome back to the channel for another quick look and test run of a slot car bought from a toy fair. Now this I've not had out the box yet, except I've undone the little screw on the bottom, and this is apparently, well, you can see the symbols there, it's got lights, it's a high detail DPR Scalextric Porsche 911 Carrera. Doesn't look like a Porsche 911 to me, so this must have been sold in the wrong box. Although I wouldn't have bought it because it was a Porsche, I would have bought it because I like the look of it. So let's have a closer look. I think this may be a Corvette. Actually, let's have a look straight away. What does it say on the bottom? Is it even a Hornby? Yes, it is a Hornby. That's that way up. Can't read that very well, but I think that says Corvette C6R. So this is in the wrong box. That's not a problem. Let's see what we make of this model. So starting at the front, yeah, I like the grills. In fact, two types of grill there, as you can see, with different bits of mesh. That's nice. Decent lights, well fitted. As usual with Hornby, the paint's really good and the separation between the colours is good. That little symbol there, very nicely done, along with a little badge on the front of the bonnet. You can see there's a couple of scratches in the paintwork there. I don't know what we paid for this. I think it had a £20 sticker on it, and as usual we negotiate with these things, so we wouldn't have paid £20. What's that in there? Presumably where the wing mirror should be, because like a lot of these second-hand ones, there's no wing mirror. Now, I don't think, looking at this, you'd class this as a high detail car. Yes, the front end looked good. Bit of dirt there. And the lights look good, but those grills there are pretty manky, the mould in, isn't it? It's not great. Black grille looks better. I don't know if this would be a beginner car. It looks a bit too good for that, but I wouldn't call this high detail. Again, wing mirror missing. All the windows blacked out, so you can't see if there's a driver in there. I'd imagine there certainly wouldn't be because of that. Nice separately fitted wiper. Possibly should be one this side too. Yeah, it's not too bad. It's pretty basic though. But it's not even in the right box. Made in China. It's got a bit of few bits of fur in there, as you can see. I'll clean all that out before I actually run it. It does have a DPR socket. I don't know what the C number for this would be or how old it is. Well, it does say 2012 there, but I don't know whether that's this particular model, you know, the real car, or whether that's when this was made. Yeah, don't know what that means. Haven't got a clue. Right. So it's not a bad car. Doesn't pass the close-up inspection too well, but it does look generally pretty good. Not bad at all. We'll stick this one on the scales. Let's see what this one comes out as. So this one is 19 93 grams, which is heavier than some. Also has a magnet, so we'll give it a bit of a magnet test. Yeah, it's got a magnet, but it's not the strongest we've seen. I certainly can't pick the car up with that one. But I don't think it's in bad order. I mean, assuming we paid about 15 quid, maybe even less, I'm not sure. It's not bad at all, is it? Not bad at all. So all that's left to do is stick it on the track, see how it gets on, and we'll see you after we've done a few laps. See you tomorrow. So that's the Corvette, given around 50 laps. Somehow after the battery went flat, I've lost all the individual lap times, but it has kept the fastest lap. So you can see as we scroll through, see where it pops in. And there we go, at number 10, 7.898. Now this car is blisteringly fast on the straights, but very tail happy on the bends, despite the quite strong magnet in it. Could be a tyre problem or something else, or just my poor driving, who knows. But yeah, it's very tail happy, but exceedingly quick and quiet. It also has very nice bright lights back and front, which are always nice to see. Do like them having lights on them. So there you go, that's the Corvette C6R coming in at number 10. I'm sure I could do better than that if it had better tyres or a bit more grip in the back. But as I say, it's very, very tail happy. So there you go, that's the Corvette in the totally wrong box. Done and dusted on the track, and we'll see you in the next one and see what interesting car we dig out this time. So cheers for now, bye.